Hey, Renee, hurry up, we're late.
Late? The way you drive, we've got plenty of time.
Yeah, I might drive a little fast, but I'm always in control.
That's debatable. So what's up?
Oh, Coach Lyndhurst told me to be on time to class so he can talk to me about tonight's game while he shows a driver's ed video.
If it's about the game, why doesn't he just talk to you about it after school, during practice?
Well, he did to the rest of the team, but I was late, so I missed it.
That figures.
So what kind of video do we get to see in our driver's ed class?
Oh, I don't know. It's probably one of those gory ones with all the body parts in the road.
Ooh. All right. You know they got rules on who gets killed in those videos?
Rules? What do you mean?
It's always the overconfident teams. The ones who act like nothing's gonna happen to them. They're the ones who get swiped out in a wreck.
Oh, you mean like the ones who don't wear their seat belts?
Yeah, and the ones who don't pay attention to the road. They always get preoccupied.
Jack, would you watch where you're going?
Sure.
And there's usually some life-threatening hazard waiting for them down the road.
Jack, please, watch the road.
Sure. Oh, shoot, there's a train.
Of course, the main rule is that someone makes a really dumb decision right before the accident.
If we have to wait for this train, we're really gonna be late.
Jack, I can't believe what you're doing.
Relax, it's under control.
Good morning. I stopped you because you were exceeding the speed limit. I paced you at 52 miles an hour.
Sorry, we're running a little late for school.
The speed limit here is 35 miles an hour. I'll need to see your driver's license, your vehicle registration, and your proof of insurance, please.